Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until the watch turns on, and once you see the home screen, the watch face, you can grab your phone, and now we need to download and install the Only Fit application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store, tap on search and type in Only Fit and tap on search. And you should see this application, Only Fit. Tap on the install button to install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. After you open the app, tap on agree, and here you can log in into OnlyFit account or make a new one if you need to by tapping on register. You can also tap on registration free for login, so basically you will log in without making an account. But if you want to keep your data about fitness and stuff like that, it's recommended to make an account, because if you remove the application without creating an account, the data will be gone. So if you want to have the data, make an account and log in. I'm just gonna use the registration free login. As you can see here, I can set up a profile, I can tap on username to change it, and I can change different things like gender, height, weight, birthday, and units. Once you're done, you can tap on the experience immediately button to continue. Then you can tap on the screen and you should see the device page. Once you see device page, tap on buy new device, select the watch from the list, tap on I got it, allow the required permissions, and the app will start looking for the nearby devices. I'm gonna wake up the screen on the watch. Let's tap on search again. As you can see, now it detected the watch. Tap on the watch to select it. Then tap on the screen, and as you can see, the watch is connected to our phone. You can also confirm on the watch by waking up the screen and swiping down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Yeah. And once you open the quick panel, you will see the icon next to the battery, the chain link icon, and it's white and it's full. That means that the watch is connected to a phone. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.